morning from Lake Placid, you guys. So we're going to do some fun exploring around here today because I haven't shown you guys Lake Placid yet. But first, I wanted to show you our hotel room, mainly because staying in Lake Placid is very expensive. All of the ones like kind of towards like the town center are like 140 plus a night. So we're a little bit out of the town center and we paid $98 for this room. And it's huge, has a comfy bed and a full kitchen. So I wanted to share this great deal with you in case you're coming to this area anytime soon. Look at all the shelving. Don't mind the unmade bed and the pizza. We got a full fridge, microwave, stove, literally like full kitchen. Pots, pans, dish rack, toaster, coffee maker. I stole the half and half because we don't have any at camp and I'm sick of the milk. An entire dining room table. Some nice lighting for the bathroom. Plenty of towels. Bathroom's a little small, but I like that the mirror's on the other side. Oh, and an entire construction machine. Wow. But yeah, really can't beat the price for this area. So let's go get some breakfast and explore Lake Placid.
So right across the street from the hotel is the Adirondack Mountain Coffee Cafe. It had almost 5 stars on Google and I can see why. The prices were fantastic for this expensive area. My sandwich and corned beef hash was under $10 and it was so delicious. Another recommendation I have if you're in the Lake Placid downtown area is Soulshine Bagel. Aside from the adorable atmosphere, this place also has fantastic breakfast sandwiches which you can either enjoy there or down by the lake. Okay, you guys, we just had an awesome breakfast, awesome and cheap breakfast at this adorable little breakfast shop. And now we are at Heaven Hills Trail because I heard there were some pretty meadows here and we're looking for free things to do around Lake Placid before we go into the town itself. So let's check it out. Okay guys, seriously, if you're near Lake Placid, this place is only like 15 minutes away and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's 1.8 miles, but it's just an easy, beautiful walk through this gorgeous meadow with views of the high peaks. Like, it really doesn't get any better than this. I am so at peace here. So what do you guys think about this camera? Do you think it's worth dropping like $3 grand on one of these? I kind of like it. Are these apple trees? They're very small, but they could be apples. Are you gonna eat it? It's probably a good idea to not eat it. Oh my goodness, guys, we found blackberries. How exciting. All right, you guys, now we're going to head to the town of Lake Placid to do some more exploring. Lake Placid is an adorable lakeside town in the Adirondack Mountains of upstate New York. It's a fantastic place to walk around if you're looking for shops and restaurants. They have everything from souvenirs to local art and furniture, and there are also places to just chill out and sit by the lake. You can see people out paddleboarding and kayaking, which you can rent equipment for locally if you don't have your own. There's also a little pavilion for live events which happen quite often. Check out their website to see what's going on during your visit. And even if you don't plan on buying anything, I highly suggest taking a look in most of the shops. It would take you about 2 hours to check them all out. There are a decent amount of hotels in the area, but not any for under $100 a night. So if you're looking to spend a little less, I suggest staying in Lake Saranac or a little north of Lake Placid where we did. For $5 a day, you can park your car in the slot in the center of town, but it does fill up very fast. We had to park down along side street. Fun fact, Lake Placid has hosted the Winter Olympics twice now, once in 1932 and then again in 1980. There's also a little beach area at the southernmost part of Mirror Lake. I'd say it's the best vantage point to see some beautiful views. It's great for chilling in the sand, swimming, jumping off docks, and dogs seem to really love it too.
Alright you guys, thank you so much for joining us today on our adventure, and we will catch y'all on the next one.